In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Systemi.io. First, log into your Systemi.io account and head over to your main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Sites. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, click on Sales Funnels. This will take you to the Funnels area. In the top right corner of this page, click on the Create button to start setting up a new funnel. A pop-up window will appear where you can configure your funnel. Begin by giving your funnel a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, choose the domain you want to use. After that, select your funnel goal. You'll see options like build an audience, sell a product, custom, or webinar. For this walkthrough, choose build an audience, which is perfect for capturing leads and growing your email list. Then, set the currency that matches your business or target market. When you're done, confirm your choices and wait for the page to load. You'll now see your new funnel in the list. Click on it to open it. Inside your funnel, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see the funnel steps, which can vary depending on the goal you chose earlier. Scroll to the bottom of the sidebar and click the Add Step button. Another pop-up will appear. Enter a name for your landing page, something that reflects its purpose. Below that, open the drop-down menu and choose the type of landing page you want to create. For this example, select Info Page, then decide whether you want to start from a ready-made template or build from scratch. To make things faster and easier, choose the option to use a template, then click Save. After the page reloads, you'll see your new landing page step listed in the left sidebar. On the right side, you can browse through the available templates. Take your time to find a layout that matches your style and your goal, then click on the one you like. To start customizing it, click Edit Page to the right of the template. The editor will open after it loads. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your landing page on the right side. The left sidebar shows all the elements and blocks you can add, such as text, images, buttons, or forms. When you click on any element in the preview, its editing and styling options appear in the left sidebar, allowing you to adjust things like text, colors, spacing, and alignment. Once you're happy with your changes and you've finished editing, make sure to click Save in the top right corner. This ensures all your work is stored and your landing page is ready for the next steps in your funnel.